Chinese investors propose plans for Phuket Railway. Chinese investors propose plans for Phuket Railway. On the subject of transportation in Phuket, the president of Chinese construction company Masu Kon met with Phuket Governor on February the 17th to present their proposal to build a light rail project in Phuket. The company is one of 10 organizations that have shown an interest in investing in Phuket's transport infrastructure, with a plan to build a rail link from Phuket International Airport to Phuket Town and other destinations beyond. Masu Kon President Noppadon Tansakun said the company had conducted research and was prepared to invest 90 million baht in further researching the proposed railway project, which was estimated would take about 5 years to complete. Governor Dri said he was impressed with the company's commitment to invest and its construction concept, which proposed high-speed trains running along the line. However, he said the company's proposal would be submitted along with the other proposals to the central government in March, and it would be the cabinet that gave final approval as to which company would carry out the construction contract.